Gutter and Roof Solutions Northwest, we are a GAF Master Elite Contractor. So people kind of understand what a GAF Master Elite Contractor means is that you are in the top 1 to 2% of roofing contractors in the United States. It also means that there are certain guidelines that we have to follow when we do all of our roofing installations. We have a pro-field guide that is it's more of a guide that tells every one of our applicators exactly every aspect of the roof of actually how it has to be applied. So all of our roofing applicators, they have to take a written exam, and they also have to do a rooftop test as well. So for every chimney they install, for every skylight they install, proper venting on a roof, you know, how the sheathing is done for plywood, the underlayment we're going to use, different shingles, how many nails actually per shingle, your starter, your pro starter that is going to be used for your starting guide for the installation of the shingles, all of the flashing metals, everything that has to be done. Every single one of these has a specific system, and it has to be applied and installed correctly.